Hey guys, this is me Yogita and you are welcome to my channel Wiggy Reads. Here we talk about a lot of bookish stuffs and books. So if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel, like this video already please, and share that video to your friends. Press that bell notification on so that you get notified every time I post a new video, because nowadays I am quite consistent with my video, I think so. So today we are going to talk about how to write a book in a month and earn 1 lakh from it. I know it is a very interesting topic and you would like to hear, but first I have taken so much of efforts to make my intro, so please roll that intro in. So today we will be talking about how to write a book in a month and to earn 1 lakh from it. Honestly speaking, I don't know about it. So what are we going to do today? We are going to discuss a book or review a book by author Tanmay Dubey, who is an international book writing coach and a best selling author. And what he have done throughout this book, what I feel about that book, is the thing that we will be discussing together. So starting with the writing style or the main idea of the book is very short. I can say somewhat of around 50 pages, and it consists of different beliefs or ideologies that the author wants to break down through the books and want to motivate. Major idea behind writing this book by the author is to motivate the person who is having the idea of writing a book, to motivate him and make him to write that book basically. So this book is divided into, firstly, the limiting beliefs what we have and how he tries to break them. Secondly, it is the reasons what we should require, or what the person might have to write that book. And then there are the mistakes that the author has done, or what we think that we could have done, or what mistakes we do while writing a book or while thinking of writing a book. And lastly, the book is summarized by a best concept of 3B, that is book, brand, and billionaire. I personally felt that it has many positive and practical aspects that the author has came up with, and it can really help one to get motivated and write a book. I just at some point I can now discussing about the facts of the book or how the book went with me. I firstly like very much the straightforward attitude of the author. The author kept the fact on them, therefore it made it very realistic for me to read, rather than all the theoretical books going on, keeping babbling about the thing that we should do this, we should do no, this and everything. But I like the practical aspect of this book. Moving forward, the author tried to connect with the audience by all those I said that limiting beliefs, the mistakes and the reasons, that what makes an author more connected to his readers, and that was the point which I liked. But coming to the point of critique is that the author claims how to earn 1 lakh. For me, I think that it is, the amount is subjective, right? According to the writing style, according to the niche what we select, according to the genre of the book, it is the amount may differ. Therefore I think that it was quite impractical of the author writing it down such an innovative topic or the title of that book. But I felt that it was somewhat overhyped. The amount which was written was somewhat overhyped. But it was totally a good read for me. Throughout the book I wasn't bored anytime. I made so much of notes even though I was reading it on Kindle, and I overall liked that book. I have rated that book, I can say 3.8. That 1.2 stars were cut at the points I said that the impractical aspects of that book. But overall it was a good book, a short book which would motivate you to write a book, at least to start writing a book. And whenever you will feel demotivated, you can again move towards the book, read it and get motivated and write that book. So what are you waiting for? Pick that book up right now. Read it. It is a very short book. And write your book which you were waiting from such a long time to write. And comment down in the section that if you have already read that book, what do you liked about it and what were you thinking about it. This was it for today's video, guys. If you like this video please, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends who need this motivation to write their first debut 1 lakh book. I'm sorry. First debut 1 lakh book. And also press that bell notification on so that you get updated every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching.